Hey guys, and welcome back to Environmental Science. This is your video instructions for your asynchronous learning day. The first thing that you guys are going to do is you're going to watch this video because it's going to provide you with the instructions of what to do for the rest of the slides. You will go to the second slide or the third slide, all right, and you're going to complete this community builder. So what you're going to do is you're going to drag your emoji over, just much like I did. I'm excited because today I'm baking brownies. So that's how I'm feeling today. I love brownies, so I'm baking some brownies and I'm excited. You can choose any emoji that you choose to, and just let us know how you're feeling. All right. Our agenda for today is that we will review our learning target as always. You guys are going to complete a Pear Deck slide called The Earth and You. You can take a quick stretch break, and I do encourage that. Work a little, take a stretch, work a little, take a stretch, because I don't want you to get overloaded. All right. Number 4, you're going to review vocabulary on Quizlet. Number 5, you're going to complete a Google form. What have you learned? And then you're going to do number 6, which is a reflection and closing. All right. So here we go, guys. So if you need assistance throughout the day, of course, guys, I can be reached via email. But if you're just like, I really need some help with a specific area, say whether it's accessing Quizlet or whether it's a question about a vocabulary word, or if it's a question about the lesson in general, I will be available from 11:30 to 12:30 tomorrow. All right. So just click on the link that says office hours if you need that help. And again, please remember, I am also available via email tomorrow if you don't necessarily need the office hours. Okay. All right. So our learning target for today's lesson. Today, I will practice vocabulary about the earth and human impact in multiple ways so that I can know the words when I see them in the lessons on the earth and human impact. I'll know I have got it when I can successfully complete the Quizlet test. All right, so here we go. So the first thing that we're going to do is you must click on this link right here, because that is going to take you to your activities for today and to Quizlet. All right, so let's get started. So you're going to click on this link. All right, it is going to ask you how you're feeling. If you choose to answer that question, you can. If not, you can skip it. All right. So I'm going to start from the beginning, and I apologize for that. All right. So it's going to take you. All right. So this is the beginning of our slides. Sorry, guys. This week, we are learning about the earth and you. What new words might be important? All right. So here we have a word that might be important. You have a word, you have a picture, and then you have a question that you are going to answer. And it says, what do you think is the meaning of pollution? And you would type your answer here, and then you will go to your next slide. The same thing here. Okay, and if you notice, the audio is concluded, all right, and it gives you the definition of the word. All right, you will do the same thing on slide 4. Again, it gives you the definition again, and there's audio available. Same thing with slide 6. It wants you to type what you think the answer is, and then you move on to the next. Okay, so hopefully we get the hang of that. Now, let's move on to the next part of this. Here you're going to complete this, and it says drag your dot to how you are feeling. Keep going, I understand, okay? If you got that and you're in the green, keep going, proud of you. I'm a little confused, okay? If you're a little confused and you can't figure it out, you're welcome to send an email, or if you're available from 11:30 to 12:30, you're welcome to attend the office hours on the other slide. And if you're on the red, stop, I need help, then of course, please send me an email, and or if you're available from 11:30 to 12:30, you may attend those office hours, and I'm happy to help you. All right. Of course, we do want to encourage that break. Take a quick break. If you're taking a stretch break, set your timer on your phone for about 5 minutes. Stretch, get some fresh air, grab some water, and then get back to it. Here, students, it's time to stop previewing vocabulary and start practicing. All right. So This gives you the instructions of where you need to go. So you will just click on either 1, 2, or 3. So I'm going to choose 1, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and go to slide 18. All right. So slide 18 will take you to Quizlet. You will click here for the link, but first you want to make sure that you watch the video because the video gives you step-by-step instructions of how to log on to Quizlet. All right. So I'll click on it for you just so you know. All right. It is a quick YouTube video of how to log on. Hi guys, this activity is to show you how to log on to Quizlet. All right, so I won't go through that, but it does tell you how to log on to Quizlet. All right, and here is the Quizlet link of where you will go. Of course, watch the video first, okay? All right, the last and final thing, okay? And it does tell you to take a picture of your test score. All right, you're gonna go back to the slide, all right, because we've already completed step 1. You've probably done step 2. Step 3, make sure to submit your Quizlet score in Google Classroom. Please make sure that you've done that before you return to the slide. And step 4, which is the very last thing that you have to do, is to complete the box. All right, so it says pick one word from today's lesson and use it in a sentence. So if I were to pick a word from the day, I would choose littering. All right, so, and it says choose a text box, write your name. So I'm going to write Miss Dalton. All right, and then I'm going to write my sentence. My sentence is, I saw a student littering in the cafeteria. All right, please make sure that when you're writing your sentence, we actually want to have good sentence structure. So make sure you capitalize and end with some sort of period, question mark, exclamation point. All right, so we want to keep those great practices up. So here's my example for you. I followed the instructions. I chose a text box. I wrote my name, and now I'm sharing my thinking of my vocabulary word. All right, guys, I wish you the best of luck. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to either email me or you may attend the office hours, okay, from 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. All right, good luck.